Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me, Asya. And today I show you in this video very attractive and very stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye and very stylish overall ideas. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance. Some ideas. Fine hairstyle. So beautiful collection of messy hairstyles. Different ideas of spiky hairstyle and most demanding collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Different ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And stylish collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, and very attractive overall collection, overall ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye-bye.